Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling when applying for a loan or a new apartment only to be met with a mysterious number, your credit score? Suddenly, a 3-digit number holds the key to your financial well-being. But where does this magical number come from, and who decides what that number means? The answer lies with credit bureaus, giant companies that collect and analyze your financial data to create a credit report, a detailed record of your borrowing habits. One of the big 3 credit bureaus is Equifax, and let's face it, their name recognition can be a double-edged sword. You might be wondering, is Equifax a free service? Or maybe, how much does it cost to check my Equifax credit score? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of credit bureaus and Equifax's pricing structure. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. Obtaining a free copy of your credit report is absolutely a right, not a privilege. You're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. Here's the catch. This free report won't include your credit score, which is often the most sought-after information. Think of it like a grocery store receipt without the total price. You see the items, but not the bottom line. So, if you want the full picture, including your credit score, that's where Equifax and other credit bureaus start offering their services, which come with a price tag. Here's where things get interesting. Equifax offers a tiered system of credit monitoring products. Think of it like a cable TV package. There's a basic plan, a premium plan, and everything in between. The most basic option is free. Yes, you read that right. Equifax provides a free service called Equifax Credit Report and Score. This plan allows you to access your Equifax credit report, including your VantageScore 3.0 credit score, once per month. That's a good starting point, but keep in mind, VantageScore is an alternative credit scoring model, and lenders might use a different model to assess your creditworthiness. Now, let's say you want more bells and whistles. Equifax offers premium products like Equifax Complete with different tiers. These plans range from $19.95 to $29.95 per month and offer features like multi-bureau credit monitoring, including Experian and TransUnion scores, identity theft protection, and credit alerts. Basically, you're paying for a more comprehensive service that keeps a closer eye on your credit activity and helps you detect potential fraud. But here's the key takeaway: Equifax isn't your only option. There are numerous credit monitoring services available, some with free plans that offer similar features. Do your research, compare plans, and choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Remember, a healthy credit score is crucial for securing loans, renting an apartment, and even getting a job. By understanding your credit report and taking steps to improve it, you're taking control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.